Hey, what's up guys, Sam Acevedo here. I'm here with the 06 325 and to my left is the 11 335. Let's talk side markers. So on this 06 we have a old crusty, right, clear side marker that needs to go ASAP, right? On the 335 we have a smoked out black version, okay, which I like. It goes with this car. Now, with this gray 325, I'd rather have a smoky lens here. I can't find it. So what I did was, I got a smoke version. It looks a little dark, but we're gonna put it on the car. It beats this old crusty one. So for today's video, we're gonna change those out. So I went on Amazon. Yes, these are made in China. I got the Gem Pro smoke lenses. So this is what they look like. They're a little dark. I think it'll look good. It beats the ones that it has. And it comes with some 3M tape. Looks like it's just plugs right in. So we're gonna remove the other ones, the old ones, stock ones, and then replace it with these. So I grabbed my panel popper. I put a little bit of electrical tape at the end of it. This way I don't scratch the car. And I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna start at the front side, push back. So let's see. So I'm pushing back. Oh, went underneath it. Yep, exactly. And it pops right out. All right, so I'm gonna unplug this. There we go. Okay, before I put in the new one, I'm gonna clean this out a little bit because it does require you to use a little bit of 3M tape. So I'm gonna take a little bit of rubbing alcohol and clean this out after I clean the dirt off of it. Okay, so let's plug them in, make sure they work. Okay. So they do work. So I'm gonna install it, push back on it. There we go. Push down on it a little bit. Stick. All right, so we just finished the side markers. Now, moving on to the back. One of the ways that you freshen up the back is to change the taillights, add some LEDs. All right. What we're going to do today is change the license plate lights. Now, right now it's shining at you know, the old school yellowish whitish light. We're gonna change it to a nice crisp white LED. So to do that, we're gonna remove these. And that's super simple. To replace these, all you have to do is take a flathead screwdriver. I tried to use a panel popper, but the panel popper was too thick. So you're gonna insert it here, and then you're gonna push towards the middle of the trunk and pop out. We're gonna unclip it. And we're gonna replace it with these. Check out the LED goodness, definitely brighter. So this uses the OEM plug. We're gonna plug that in. It's gonna snap in place. Okay, it's got a clip. So we're gonna start from the right-hand side here and push in, and it snaps in place. Bingo bango. And what a difference. Camera doesn't even do it justice. A lot brighter than what it looks like. It puts that one on the right to shame. And there you have it. 2 quick and easy upgrades. Side markers, parking lights here in the back. Will freshen up the look. Takes this 06 maybe to an 09, but super easy. Under, I would say both things under 15 minutes, like in and out. I'll post the link for each down below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. I got a lot of things to do on this car, plus the 335, plus S2000. Remember, hit the like, subscribe. Check you on the next video.